Hey, how we doing? Jason Canarum here. Appreciate you stopping in. But I figured I'd show you how I fix extension cords when I kind of chop them in half. So I scrounged through my parts and I got pretty much everything that I need. I did have to go buy this, but it cost me a couple bucks. It's worth fixing this extension cord for a couple dollars. Um, I guess let's get to this. I want to try to make this as simple as possible. First thing I want to do is put this piece of rubber or plastic hose on here. It'll be important for the longevity of this project. Then I have me a piece of heat shrink here, just to be extra precautious. So we're going to have to hook this up to this. I am going to give myself about yay much working room. Now I'm not cutting all the way through this. I'm just pretty much using the blades here to cut through this insulation, which I got almost all the way through. All right. So there's a start. Let's go ahead and strip this. This is a 16 gauge extension cord. Oh, probably need a little bit more on this hot wire. All right, I did grab 3 extra pieces. I just snipped them off of the other end there. We'll go ahead and strip these. The thing I'm going to do is come up and make sure that these are loose. Just makes my life a little easier. Apparently this is a used plug, which really doesn't surprise me any. I'm just going to go ahead and do that to both of these. This one appears to be used also. So we have silver, green, and brass. Your hot always comes in on your brass, and black is brass, goes to your brass. We're going to make a nice little hoop there. And we're going to stick it right in here. So righty-tighty, you always want your brass going, so when you're tightening it up, it's spinning with your nut. Nice and tight. So now that we have this, black to brass, we're going to run over here and put it to this brass one also. So now that we have this, we need to do the same thing with the white and the green. Now we're going to stop short of doing this last green one. So we have all of our wires stripped here. So make them look all nice and neat because I'm a little anal like that. I guess we forgot to put them through this. Take our box. We're going to call this the top. It's got a sticker on it. Let's just go ahead and call this the top. I'm just going to pop this little tab out, set it off to the side, take our little cable thing here, Stick it through. Tighten it up. We're going to leave the cable loose because we're going to need to move it around a little bit. Alright, now the one that we did not hook the ground up to, we are going to go ahead and hook this power wire up to. We're going to hook up the black to the brass. We're going to hook up the white to the silver. Now we're going to take both these greens, twist them together, and then put them down on this one. Make sure it's far enough out. So now both these greens are grounded out here. I'm going to pull this. I'm going to pull my heat shrink out now. Maybe. Just heat shrink just the edge of these wires to the insulation. So in order to remove this screw, you need to hold this black tab. So hold the black tab and then the screw will back out. And now that I have all these black tabs removed, I should be able to start bolting this up. Now in order to make this fit, these ears will need to be removed. They are scored, so you should be able to just grab them, bend it back a few times. And now with the ears being removed, you should be able to take your lid and your screw and install a nut to hold this all together. Alright, the box is in. I need to unscrew these and bolt this down. Get that one started, get this one started. Come back to this one, tighten it down. One last step. We're going to pull our cable. We're going to push this rubber piece in here. Sometimes you gotta loosen this up just a little bit more. Alright, now that we have the rubber piece in, we're going to tighten this down. There we go. Extension cord is fixed. I appreciate you stopping in. And remember, smile while you still have teeth.